Moon in Virgo, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 18th, 19th, 20th of June 2018. And this is taking us up to the first quarter moon and to the solstice. The message in our lunar rhythms, in our cycles of flow from the universe, this message to me is clear. Slow down, clean up. Neptune goes retrograde on the 18th as Moon transits into Virgo. We're coming up to solstice. And Mars is going retrograde. We're just a week prior to Mars going retrograde. Whether we like it or not, we have to slow down. Virgo Moon is saying, take care of detail, clean up, don't let anything stick to you. We're taking care of detail in our spiritual world, cleaning up our inner world, and making sure nothing negative sticks to our ordered inner harmony. Only new shiny habits raise our vibrations. We're coming out of Leo after the radiance of the moon in Leo, the heart and the instincts being in harmony for a glorious moment. Coming out of this small transit of Leo, of the moon, and leaving Venus still in Leo, we have to listen and work it out. What are the questions the stars are asking us? I think there's a big message here for the Pluto in Leo generation, of which I am, and that would be those born between 1939 and 1957. We are going to, in the coming few weeks, I'd say up to 3 weeks, we can expect a loving epiphany. So, for example, my Pluto is at 23 degrees Leo. At some stage over the next few hours, I'm recording this while the moon is at 18 degrees of Leo. At some stage, I'm going to have my monthly pushing the buttons of my karma, and I probably won't sleep tonight. Something will set me on fire and I'll be awake for hours. But also, Venus is only at 4 degrees of Leo right now, so depending on where your degrees are in Leo of your Pluto, you can expect that. So mine might be say 2 weeks time. You can work that out yourself, you know. The reason why I'm saying that, and I'm going to say more about it this week, and I have to say thank you very much to one of the spiritual guides that I follow. We are going to have to listen and work this out. Our energy, the energy of our generation, think about the 60s and early 70s, okay? This is the energy we're still coming off of, which changed our thinking, changed the direction of the world, what we will accept, our creativity, call it what you will. Not accepting war and the various ways we found to bring in revolution, mostly through music, lifestyle, creativity. So the message from the generations now that are going to have to take the world forward is your energy set us on fire. Is it too much to ask for that back? We, as the Pluto in Leo generation, are supposed to remember that one glorious moment, which was love is everything. You are the divine child. We have to say, love, yes, love is all. We do love you enough. If we don't do it, they will say to us, why didn't you tell us? And it's not good enough for us to say, we thought you knew. Because, as we know, humanity has a very short memory span. So I think Moon in Virgo for many of us is a 3-day transit. A lot of slowing down, a lot of taking care of detail, is about taking responsibility for it, for our blessings and our curses, you know, and doing some deep inner listening and working this out. So practices, in order to take care of detail and slow it down, Monday the 18th, we have the detail of our SuZen sitting. we're coming up to the end of our Zen week. I promised to teach you a week of Zen following the new moon. We're coming up to first quarter, and we have the culmination. Well, not the culmination, this is the week, as they say in Ireland, this is the week that's in it. So the detail of our Zazen sitting, it's to teach you the technique. It's also to teach you there is no goal. It's also to teach you the only reason to do this is to realize who you truly are. Tuesday, 19th, I'm going to teach you the detail of Om chanting. So this is the feminine inner workings of the Om, which is the Ah, Oo, chanting. So there'll be the teachings and there'll be the practice. Wednesday, talk about Virgo. We're talking about, purity, detail, spiritual health, and so I have this great Ayurvedic tone-up for those of us who haven't got a lot of time for body work at the moment, which is me. I discovered this Ayurvedic tone-up and it's absolutely amazing. It's not the best recording in the world, not the best production, but it really works and it sets you up for your day. It gets everything working. You don't have to jump about too much or stretch too much because it's all in the pressure and the energy flow through the spine, letting go, and that kind of practice. So we'll see how we go with that big, clear message from the universe, from the mother of existence. Slow down. Time is coming to clean up, take care of detail, listen, work out how do we go from here. So namaste. Thank you for liking, sharing, and do please subscribe. And as you know, the link is below in the description box for your donations, which are gratefully received. And I think it'll be this week when I get round to making the video of the energy around money and donations as it applies to yoga. It's probably not what you think, and it's very energetic. The master is the energy center, and I think you'll find it interesting. Namaste. This is for your healing, and this is for the SuZen teachings.